Hello and welcome into another video. Today we are doing Trail Makers, a new game I'm not sure if you've seen. It's all about creating your own vehicles and making them work. So today, as you saw the thumbnail, I'm going to be teaching you how to make jets, or your regular planes look cool by adding some pieces to make them look more like jets, which I had a problem with for a while. So we're just going to go to danger zone. Alrighty, we're in, and now I'm going to be showing you how you make your regular planes look like jets. So I'm going to go to, well, first I'm just going to get one of my regular bad looking planes, if I even have one. Alright, here we go. This is a very small, normal looking plane, and this is the most basic plane you could possibly make. If you want to know how to make planes fly like this, let's have a little look, see what I've done, or you can just comment down below and I'll do a video in like 5 seconds about how you make planes before. But right, so let's start by getting some blocks and making this a bit longer. Alright, those need to go back a bit. If we want to save some heaviness, we would use the other blocks, but they look terrible. If it doesn't fly good, we just remove weight, which is simple. Now let's add. I think we'll just do a basic nose cone, which is in tubes. You scroll to the very end, just right here. Alright, so once we have these, maybe there. How I make jets is by getting these curvy pieces, or whatever they're called, a wedge piece, and we go in front. We put it near the nose, sorta. You know what? I think we're gonna have to put this back there. Just trying to find the right spot to put them. We copy paste that and put it looking better. Alright. So now we have wings, proper looking wings. Sorta, I don't know. This is a mini jet. If I show you my bigger jets, you'll see. This is a beginners make a jet video. Let's make the back a bit longer. We need an elevator. Let's put it a bit more forward. Yep, there we are. That's decent. Alrighty, we are going to make the back look a bit better. I think I could, but you know, this is just for beginners. If you want to see advanced making jet videos, well then just put that in the comments for me, please. Also, I want to know that people are actually enjoying my channel, teensy bit at least, because I love making videos and I don't really think people even like them. Anyways, let's just continue. Not looking bad. Not looking bad, okay. We need obviously some thrust. Now, where will I put that? This plane's probably too small to put thrust in places. You have to make big, you know. Now it's going to look a bit ugly, but whatever. No. That's how you do it. Face forward to go backwards. It's a bit weird, but now let's try and see if that's enough power. Yeah, oh, that's not bad, that's not bad. Alright, good start. Well, I don't know how it looks. Oh yeah, we can customize, which I have forgotten. I only just found out how you can customize a few weeks ago, and make planes look just like real life planes. You can actually make any type of plane in the world you want in this game and make it look like it. Usually you can do that. Pretty much for every plane you can do that. Alright. Let's customize it and see if it's any better. Not a flying ability, just how it looks. We're also gonna take some weight off, I think. You know, that's not gonna do any change. That's not gonna make a single change, I don't think. How much does this way? 1, 2. Yeah, that's the same. that won't do anything. If you want to make your planes lighter, I would suggest making, when you make big planes, usually there's a big 2 gap in here. It's able to make them with these, because these are half the weight of those other blocks, or you just leave it empty. And these are also really light, so that will make your planes a lot better if they're lighter. So I think I'll just do that for now. That's okay. So you press on PS controller, PS4. You press R1. You hold it wherever you go to save your vehicle, which on whatever device you're on, you hold it and you'll say pick color. So now we can customize the whole thing. You can also make stuff glass, like if you make a custom cockpit. This is just a standard cockpit. Usually on my planes, I do the piston glitch. If you could just make it all clean, you can pick 2 colors. We're gonna go for, I think I'm gonna go for red for once. Red and white. Not bad. Alright. Well, this is a beginner's plane. If you think this looks cool, try and make this by copying everything I did. It's not that hard. The only thing you have to really copy is that front thing, as in how I use those wedges. I use the wedges to curve it, and that's just how they look. All you need is a nose cone. It's the most simplest thing ever. It's okay at flying. I could definitely go through the rings over here. But we can always fix it by just making it lighter, because that's its problem. It's too light. No, it's heavy. Sorry, it's too heavy. Let's have a look. We can replace... It's all about looks, really. No, it's not. Or sometimes it is. That you will never notice. We'll replace that. Does it even need something there? No, it doesn't. Alright. I'm not sure if they'll make it any better, but this is, once again, a small plane. I will go ahead and save that. Not that I like it that much, but yeah, it's okay. Oh, I see. Okay, I accidentally, make that. Alright. Let me show my new jets and get some ideas. If you want an advanced video, I will do an advanced video. This is one of my better jets. Except I actually built this a while ago. It has obviously the cockpit glitch. What you use a, I use a go-kart seat. I wouldn't use a motorbike seat unless you're doing a 3-block one, which is not good, but anyways, this one's alright. Did you know there is guns in the game? And they do lock on, and it's very good, very fun dogfights. And this one's okay. Let's just go ahead and fly it. So this one's a lot bigger with jets in the middle, so you don't see it. Except on the inside you do. Yet again, I'm still young and I haven't had that much experience in this game. Simple. The dogfights are just as... I played War Thunder for 3 years. And I definitely agree that this game for dogfights is, number one, the controls feel better. You can disagree with that, but in my opinion, it feels a lot better than War Thunder. At least on a PS controller. Maybe if you're on a PC, War Thunder would most likely feel better. But to me, I prefer this for flying as well as that. But the thing is that you can do 1v1 the dogfight. It's just the ability to do anything in this game is just awesome. Thanks for watching. This is my first Trial Makers video, and I'm very bad at making videos right now. My videos will be better, I promise. Thanks for watching. Watch out for my new videos, and I'll catch you next time. Usually I should make a video every week. Sometimes I just want to make like 5 videos in a day, usually. Actually, that happens a lot.